Hi, hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I would like to show you this single simple flower embroidery using Kashmiri stitches. Kashmiri stitch, it is a traditional stitch from India. It is just similar like satin stitch, but the technique will be a little different. Kashmiri stitch is characterized by natural inspired motif like flowers, leaves and buds. It will be used in vibrant colors and monochromatic thread work. It is a filling type of design. So here you can see that in this flower we are see this stitch by using the filling technique. So let's begin our embroidery. For doing the embroidery, here I used a brown color embroidery thread with 4 strands of embroidery thread. And the thread here I used is anchor embroidery thread and the fabric is poplin cotton. So let's begin our embroidery. It is embroidery starting from the tip of one petal. So tip of one petal, here you can see that it is a sharp end. From there we will start. Before the start, we should understand two layers or two lines for the estimation of the stitches. So we should take the thread and prick from the back side of the fabric to the central part of the flower, move a little bit up and we should pull it out. After that, we should move the thread to the next of that first stitch and pick it down, and we should move the tip of the periphery of the petal. We should pull it out. Then from there we should start the next stitch. We should go back to the center of the petal, then move a little front and pull it out. So from there the next stitch. So this type of stitching, it will go to simultaneously. After finishing the one side of the petal, we should move to the next side or the next side of the petal from the center of the this petal. So just like satin stitch, we will start from the center to periphery. The same thing we will do here also. And after finishing the one side, we should move back to the remaining part of the petal, specifically from the center side of the petal. When I am doing this embroidery, I am very curious about from which part of the world you are watching my video. So please comment it below. And if you like this type of embroidery video, if you are allowed to enjoy this type of tutorial video, please give me as a comment. Please like and support my channel. Here you can see that the next side of the petal, so there also one straight stitch, move a little bit front and pick it down, and the side of the remaining portion we should fill it off. So the here the remaining portion filling, and the crossing over of the thread, it is going to the opposite side of the petal. Hope you are able to understand this detailed explanation of the video. Please subscribe and please watch the full video and please support my channel. Next we will do with the filling of the flower. For doing the filling of the flower, here I used yellow color French knot. For that, here I am using 6 strands of embroidery thread. We should prick from the downside of the fabric to go upside, and we should wrap around the needle with the thread, and we should tie the same knot, pick it down with the same point. So we will get a beautiful French knot. Based on our needs, we can increase the number of turns or wrapping. It will help to the reduce or increase the size of the French knot. So if you like it, please subscribe and support my channel. Thank you for watching. Have a blessed and peaceful day.